longs to walk in morning dew, where emerald hills kiss skies of blue, and claddered hearts make spirits rise, lost in music, truth and lies. All those tangled cryptic signs seeks the challenge in every line, a flaming glaze, such pretty eyes, nightmares laced with lullabies. Sing, wild heart, be bold and brave, a storm beneath a gentle wave, scorpion soul on velvet strings, a voice of kings. So sing, nightingale, sing. Alone with thoughts profound, brave of heart, tightly bound, guarding love in gentle light, a diamond burning through the night. Angels dread, no fear, no care, see through masks she might not wear. Don't lose sight through carelessness, cling on tight to Molly's dress. Sing, wild heart, be bold and brave, a storm beneath the gentle wave, scorpion soul on velvet strings, a voice of kings. So sing,